This video not sponsored by anyone. I rebuild my old project, but in this time, much cheaper, and I used Gemini. Hello fellas, today I will introduce a new Arduino project, and also I talk about a Gemini AI. Before we continuous, like and share this video and make you sure subscribe. This is important for channel growth, also my motivation. I have published regularly project every week over the years. Must be check it, you like it. For a long time, I have used Gemini AI with software process. Let's check it what I used for a component in this project. Arduino Nano clone, HcSr-04 Ultrasonic Distance Sensor, Sg90 Micro Servo, HX1230 Display. I used parts choose from old parts, that's make it cheaper. Also, if check old version, seen using powerful development board, ESP32S3, not necessary. If you interest and not yet watch, go check it all you need links are video description.
Mısır'dan çektiği kadar.
Let's start to making project. In this time, using Gemini AI for creating Arduino script. I use for a long time this tool. I have seen most powerful and intelligent AI. Also, my subscription is Pro version. Let's start to make. I asked to redesign my old Sonar project from Gemini with new, old, unused parts. It was create immediately without any mistake. As you know that, a lot of speculation about is AI kill my job? I don't think so. Still there a lot of people reach out for software business. You don't worry about it. If you have different idea, write in comment. Taking script on Gemini and open Arduino IDE. If you don't have, go to the link, download latest version of Arduino IDE. When it downloaded, click to install. Click Next over Next. When install is complete. After that, click to open. When it open, paste it in blank your copied script. After doing that, you need to install a third-part library. Go to the library extension from the left on Arduino. Write in blank U8G2. Find this and install latest version. You don't need to change anything. Also, you can reach source file on my GitHub. Next step is wiring and code testing. As you can see wiring on the screen, you can follow this setup. After that, turn back to Arduino, choose your board and write COM port. Processor is I used that one. You can choose yours. Lastly, click that upload button. Everything is okay. You can see working like this. If it working correctly, let's turn much pretty. I have designed 3D model on Fusion 360. You can check my other published models on Cult's page. If you need any special design, you can reach me on Fiverr. When it done, I have printed on my old 3D printer Ender 3, still there working, but not original. Let's assembly. After a lot of wiring and soldering, final prototype is done. As you can see, much cheaper and pretty. If you're watching until this moment, write comment, keep going. If you don't miss next episode, subscribe my channel, like and share this video. Until next time, see you.